How much should someone lend at simple rate of interest of 15% per annum in order to have rupees 3234 at the end of 1.5 years? Now, the question asked is how much should someone lend? That means we want to find out P. We are given the rate of interest, that is R, as 15, and we want to have rupees 3234 at the end of 1.5 years. So 3234 becomes amount and 1.5 becomes N. Now, the formula for amount is principal plus interest. Interest in this case will be simple interest, and therefore the formula will be principal plus PNR by 100, which is the formula for simple interest. Now, amount is equal to 3234. P we have to find out, and we can take P common from these two terms. So, therefore, if we take P common, it will become 1 plus NR upon 100. So, substituting the values of NR as well, we will get here P into bracket 1 plus N is 1.5 and R is 15 upon 100. So this will become 3234 is equal to P into bracket 122.5 upon 100. So solving this, we will get P is equal to 2640. So that will be our answer, option D.